If you ever feel like you're caught in a perpetual chase, always after something like money, success, or just a fleeting glimpse of happiness, and amidst this pursuit, find yourself drowning in stress, overwhelmed, and utterly burnt out, then this video is for you. In today's video, we'll explore how Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, can lead you to true fulfillment and contentment, without constantly hungering for more. Be sure to watch till the end, because the insights we'll uncover could transform your life. Stoicism isn't just some ancient doctrine gathering dust in the annals of history. It's a timeless guide to finding peace in a world of chaos, embraced by some of the greatest minds throughout time, including Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor himself. Picture Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor ruling from 161 to 180 AD, grappling with the weight of power and the trials of leadership. Yet, amidst the tumult of his era, he penned his thoughts in his Meditations, a profound exploration of self, the universe, and the pursuit of an ideal society. Marcus believed in the power of embracing reality, not futilely struggling against it. "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters," he wrote. By accepting the world as it is, we liberate ourselves from the shackles of futile resistance, focusing instead on what lies within our control. Stoicism isn't just about resignation. It's about living in sync with nature's grand design. Nature does not show off. She achieves her ends quietly and elegantly. By aligning ourselves with the rhythms of the universe, we find a profound sense of peace and purpose. Stoicism is a call to cultivate inner strength and resilience. "The only thing that troubles me," Marcus noted, "is that I am bothered by what bothers me." Our reactions to life's obstacles are within our grasp, and it's our duty to fortify ourselves against adversity. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of introspection. Look back over your day, he urged, and ask yourself, what have I done today to make myself a better person? Then do it tomorrow. For him, self-improvement was a sacred duty, a journey of constant growth. Marcus revered wisdom above all else. "He who has a firm grasp of the truth," he declared, "and is mindful of his duty, will never be given over to cowardice." Wisdom isn't just about accumulating knowledge. It's about embodying it, living it, breathing it, becoming it. Marcus Aurelius was more than just a proponent of Stoicism. He was its living embodiment. His Meditations offer us a timeless roadmap, a blueprint for living a life of virtue, wisdom, and tranquility. So, why wait? Let's heed his call to accept reality, to embrace nature's harmony, to forge inner strength, to embark on the journey of self-discovery, and to seek wisdom in all its forms. In a world consumed by noise and distraction, Stoicism stands as a beacon of hope, a guiding light amidst the darkness. Embrace it, embody it, and let it transform your life. The power to change lies within you, so why not start today? Dive into Marcus Aurelius's Meditations and embark on your own journey towards a life of purpose, fulfillment, and inner peace. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more transformative content. Your support means a lot, and it motivates us to create more amazing content for you all. Share your experiences and insights in the comments, and let us know how this video has resonated with you.